For important DW News, the international forum, US, Philippines, and China. About the World War III, you Pacific, the show and show, and start now because you are longer for scandal the world and what happened about the Pacific Sea. So I guess, translated, ikaw Philippines, bakit ayaw mo isuko ang Philippine Sea na pag-aari ng China? At ikaw China, ayaw mo isuko ang China Sea na pag-aari ng Philippine Sea what the Pacific boundaries to other country in Asia is damages kasi ang international American foreign dumadaan sa Asian Pacific. So lahat ng Asian country, Malaysia, Indonesia, Japan, Thailand, Korea, Cambodia, Vietnam, pwede mag-demand sa English, sa Amerika, Australia, Canada, to international na bakit pinapapasok sa Philippine Sea and China Sea ang international military wars warship. To conduct the ICC is whatever the your justice and old paper to me is version this world to World War II, but now my story is World War III and 2015. Tapos na nangyari sa Israel, Jerusalem, Russia, Ukraine, Hamas, nag-umpisa na sila. Bakit tapos sila ay ngayon ay beginning? Kung tutusin nga for this about reclutamate about Jew at 2015, 2015 pa issue na yan at 2015 pa display ang military wars in China or heard about the struggle of other people in the Pacific Sea, nag-aagawan ng kayamanan, means ni Satanas because your government planning about the earth, vastness, and fucking stage of dirty. So, because Philippines is never to miss person, well, what happened is, I don't care because the experience about this my problem to life in Philippines out to me, out to the Philippines, whatever this country is, pick the world. I have picked the word to our speech. So, kaya ikaw Philippines, kikilos ka, hindi yung kikilos yung whatever pronunciation or exposed to international about the guilty na hindi naman tayo nakikita ng person or whatever the person whatever here to online living right or indicate others about the assumed and illusion mental health problem all combat revolution against religions me because God is in against me and this your country I am miracle this because problem country's problem the international about the religion Philippines so it's really clear. Kaya China, gumawa ka na ng paraan para matapos na yan at tapusin na natin, mamatay na tayo lahat dito sa World War III. News spoke about the other people guilty or politics and religion. Lahat tayo dito nag-vote at illegal tayo dito at criminal. For this beginning about the earth and this nation, lahat tayo nag-social media. Lahat dyan mayroon death penalty. Lahat tayo mamamatay at magdudusa some of our chance to our next life in this world. Kahit anong aral nyo, yan ang lalabas sa sasabihin ko dahil yan ang nararapat because this world is changed is not changed like to each other. Now it's changed to each other about the life here the world about economies destroy. Sinasabanta nila na alam nila nangyayari ang crisis. Yung mga people na nanghirat dito world about the money train and bullshit, everything bullshit and stupid. Get it? Kaya kung para matapos yung Philippines, China Sea, Amerika, Philippines, magharap na tayo, sumuko na kayo at ipatawag niyo ako sa police sa Quezon City. Andito ako sa Metro Manila pero wala kayong ginagawa. Gusto niya pa kasi akong gagawa. Well, may gagawin ako. May mamamatay at mawawala ng buhay. Na yun ang nararapat. Kasi hindi naman yung may babalik ang kabataan ko, di ba? Pag abandon sa akin, babayaran ako ng pera. Will happen here the in no war? No. Because all these people was believed to me and all poor in Asia. Kaya sasapitin yung kamatayan nito dahil sa kasalanan nyo. Thank you, bitch.